First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, this morning, not quite as cold as what was anticipated. Still a frost advisory in effect, but our attention turns to tonight and tomorrow night for the best likelihood of getting a hard freeze, the first one of this fall season, as freeze warnings have gone up. 41 right now, so a little bit warmer than anticipated, with cloud cover across the area as a very weak disturbance makes its way across. We're not seeing any precipitation, although there could be a sprinkle or maybe even a weak snowflake or a little ice pellet, but all that would just evaporate before it even reaches the ground. So again, we turn our attention to the freeze warning that's in effect for the entire WBKO viewing area for tonight and early Friday. This stretches all the way down into Middle Tennessee, much of Kentucky, southern Indiana, southern Illinois, all under that freeze warning. And what a freeze warning means is temperatures are expected to get below freezing. Freezing is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're expecting a low tonight of 28. That would put a hard freeze, or killing frost, as some of us refer to it as, the end of the growing season here in southern Kentucky. Today's highs, not very warm at all. 52 maybe for Bowling Green and Glasgow around the Barren River Lake area. 53 Scottsville and Franklin. By the way, somebody somewhere won that big Powerball jackpot last night, because now the Saturday night drawing is down to $40 million, and the Mega Millions drawing is now up to $65 million. Here's a look at temperatures, and we are seeing some upper 30s like Hodgenville, Campbellsville, Columbia, Albany, and Burkesville. In Litchfield, back to Hartford, seeing upper 30s. So is Hopkinsville, Madisonville, everybody else in the low 40s with that cloud cover that's over the area this morning as we look live from our AAA Systems Doppler cam. 41 degrees currently. The winds are calm. 97% humidity, and the barometer is falling with the passage of that weak disturbance. Here is the view from Glasgow and our AAA Systems weather cam. In Barron County, 40 is your current temperature reading. Franklin and Simpson County, you're mostly cloudy, a temperature of 42. And in Russellville and Logan County, you have a cloudy sky. Your temperature is at 41 degrees. 43 right now. We've just gone up a degree at the Bowling Green Airport. 49 Memphis. Everybody else mostly in the 30s to low 40s across the region. We're 1 degree cooler than we were in the 6 o'clock half hour just yesterday. The radar showing that disturbance just kind of falling apart, though, as it moves across Kentucky. The air near the surface just too dry, and this system is pretty weak anyway. So we're not going to expect very much in the way of precipitation out of this. There's some light snow showers and light rain showers mixed off to the north of that center of low pressure. But here's our disturbance moving through today. Mostly cloudy, although there will be breaks of sunshine like yesterday that we'll get later today. But tonight, as high pressure takes over and the skies clear and the winds calm, perfect setup for a hard freeze tonight as this Arctic high pressure takes over for the next few days and just sits right over us. It will be nice, but it's going to be cold as we get into homecoming weekend. Mainly cloudy this morning, a chance of a sprinkle, then maybe a few breaks of sunshine later today, 52. Then tonight, mainly clear, frost likely. In fact, that hard freeze and the freeze warning goes into effect with a low of 28. And then for tomorrow, we're looking at a high around 50 under a mostly sunny sky. We get down to 26 maybe for early Saturday morning. That would be a hard freeze for sure. Then we warm things up. In fact, a warming trend for much of next week. Highs will return to the 60s to near 70. But it does look a bit stormy, actually, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday, which will be Halloween.